Facilitating brand strategy workshops is a great way to upgrade your value offering and to showcase your expertise to the client. So in this video, I'm going to teach you one of my favorite exercises so that you can offer it to your client next time. Let's go. Hey, my name's Charlie Osborne. I'm a remote brand strategist and designer, and my goal for this video is to give you the confidence to start charging your clients for brand strategy workshops. These have been a game changer for me, and so what we're going to do is just go through one simple and fun exercise that you can start offering them today. The beauty of the process I'm going to teach you is that it is fully remote. It will deepen your relationship with the client and your understanding of their business, but it will also bring consistency to your designs, ensuring that it evokes the right gut feeling in the customer. So if that sounds good, let's get into this process. The exercise I'm going to teach you is known as the 4 brand keywords. And really, as the name suggests, the goal is simple. You need to distill your client's brand down to just 4 words. These 4 keywords will then be used to guide your design decisions moving forwards. It will bring consistency to the brand. So you might be thinking, well, this is easy. All I need to do now is just ask the client for their 4 keywords. They'll tell you them and then you're done. And I would say that this is actually a major missed opportunity, and that instead you want to take the opportunity to deepen your relationship with the client and take them through a simple 3-step process. The first step is to send the client a multiple choice Google form that has a list of keywords that have been predefined for them to choose from. It's super simple. All you need to do is just send the client the link. They'll fill out the form in their own time, and once they're done, you get a list of keywords that you can then use for the workshop. And just so you know, I have actually put all the words that I like to offer to the client in the description. So if you want to copy and paste them, bring them into your own workshops, feel free. Step 2 is to take those selected keywords and then visualize them in your preferred design tool. And at this stage, what you want to do is start to look for themes and similarities between the keywords and start to organize them into groups and clusters. And so this way, you're actually starting to set up the conversations and the questions that you're going to ask the client in the workshop itself. I'll also look out for any keywords that seem surprising to me, so I can ask them about that in the workshop. And I'd also maybe add some of my own keywords that I feel like could be appropriate for their business and I'd like to throw into the mix. And finally, for step 3, you will organize a Zoom call with the client to run through their choices. And the way you're going to do this is you're going to share your screen, showcase the clusters of different words that you've chosen, and you're going to ask them simple questions about why they chose these keywords. I always like to start by just asking which is your favorite keyword, or which keyword do you think is the most appropriate for your brand. And at that point, just let them explain why they chose it. And really, this is where you'll find so much information and you'll have so much to talk about around their business. Somehow using keywords to as a springboard almost into different conversations is an amazing way to explore many different aspects of their business and to start to get to know them very deeply. And what you'll start to do here is bring those keywords into another part of the screen that's almost like their favorite section. And you'll start to build up a repository of words that could be candidates for the final 4. And it should be noted that this process is very organic. There's not really one specific way to run through all the keywords. But really all you need to do is just encourage the client to ensure that the 4 keywords that you do end up coming up with feel like they cover all of the main parts of their business, all the main things that make them unique. And often you'll come away with the client saying that the keywords that they actually chose were completely different to what they would have thought if you had just asked them point blank. And that's it. Now you have the framework to start including brand strategy as part of your total client offering. Now, this is just one of many exercises that you can use to help your clients. And if you are interested to learn more about brand strategy workshops, I have put together a full course that teaches a 2-day workshop. So if that's of interest, a link is in the description. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, then definitely do that. Otherwise, best of luck with trying this. I'm sure your clients will love it and find it really helpful. And I would love to hear how you guys get on with it. So definitely feel free to reach out to me and let me know how it goes. All right, that's it from me. Thank you, Flux team, for having me. It's been a lot of fun. Look forward to the next one. See you soon.